Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. That quiz contains like basic operation like plus, minus, multiplication and division, and also have the bracket. So we have to solve this quiz using some rules and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards to find out which we will follow, the rules which we will follow to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, here we have two types of rules which are we can use which we can use to solve the given expression. These rules are basically using in different region, and now we have to see using any of them is that you can get the answer is correct. So according to the rule, if you have any bracket in your expression, so step number one is first you have to solve all brackets. After that, you have to see the exponent part in your expression and solve that part after the bracket. After that, step number three, basically you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. And if division part is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we have 40 divided by 6 minus 2, 17 multiplied by 3 and 3 minus 1. We have here three brackets, 1, 2, 3. So now according to the rule, first we have to solve the all bracket. So now we will solve this bracket B. So here we have the 40 divided by, we will write as it is, and 6 minus 2 equals to 4, we will write after solving this bracket. And here, here we will give the reference like 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Now move forward to solve the another bracket. So 40 divided by 4 plus, we will write as it is. And now 77 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 21. And this part we will write as it is because we will solve each bracket in one in each step. So this one 21. Now we have to solve the last bracket, which is 3 minus 1. So we will solve this one, which is equals to 2. And here we will give the reference like 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Move forward. Here we have completed all the bracket. We have solved all the brackets. So now we do not have any bracket. Now, step number 2, find out the power of any number if it is contained in this expression. So we do not have any number which has the power. So now we can skip that step. Now move forward to solve given expression is using step number 3. Step number 3 says that you have to solve the multiplication and division. And this is the key step to solve the given expression. So you cannot say like I will solve first this one, or you cannot say like I will solve this one. You have to go first left to right in your expression and find out first which is coming first. So here we have first the division one. So we will solve this part first. So 40 divided by 4, which is equals to 10. And this part we will write as it is. So here we will give the reference like 40 divided by 4 equals to 10. Now move forward to solve. Again, we will go left to right in our expression and find out multiplication and division. So now we have the multiplication here. So we will solve this one now. 10 plus 21 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2. So 42, the answer of this multiplication. 21 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 42. Now move forward. We have here two terms which are adding each other. So now we will add both of them and we can get the answer is 52. So the answer of the given expression is 52. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.